Okay, area of parallelograms is always base times height. And the important relationship between the base and the height is that they have to be perpendicular. Okay, so as I'm looking at example 1 here, I see this side here is 9. I see a right angle to here. So 9 I can make my base, 7 I can make my height. 9 times 7 is 63, and area is in square units. Okay, here I've got 6 inches, a right angle, 8 inches. I can make 6 my base, 8 my height. 6 times 8 is 48, and again, square units. Okay, example number 3. There's a lot of numbers, but the important thing is that you pick out the two pieces that have that right angle connecting them. Okay, so here 6 is this horizontal. That's my base. Not sure why I wrote a 5. All right, 5 here. Goodness gracious. 5 for that picture is going to be my height. Okay, so 5 is my height. 6 times 5 tells me that the area of this parallelogram is 30 square meters. Okay. Number 4, we've got a couple extra things to do. Okay, here's my right angle symbol, but right now I don't have anything with H. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is right here, that's a right triangle, I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, remember that C value is always opposite the right angle, so 5 is my C value. 3 squared is 9. 25 minus 9 is 16, and if I find the square root of both sides, my height here now is 4. Okay. Now 4, that part is perpendicular to this whole side here. So 3 plus 8 gives me my base. So I'm taking 11 times 4. The area of this parallelogram is 44, and we'll just say units squared. Okay, so these first 4 examples are finding the area. 5 and 6, we are given the area. Okay, so again, remember, area is still base times height, but now we're filling in different parts in this equation. Okay, so now I know my area is 72 square meters. I don't know my base, but I know when I multiply it by my height of 8, that's going to give me my area. Okay, so we divide by 8 on both sides. That means the length of the base of this parallelogram is 9 meters. Last example here, these 4 marks mean that all 4 sides are congruent, and we'll go with a square. Okay, these should, I'm going to put a right angle there. Okay, now normally area is base times height. Okay, but squares are unique in the fact that their base and height are the same. So whatever the base is, the height is also that. Okay. A way that we can rewrite b times b, anything times itself is that thing squared. Okay, now I know that 49 is my area, so I can set 49 equal to b squared, or b times b. And to find what b is, or that side length, I find the square root of both sides. So my side length of the square is 7 inches.